Here now, we just freaking.
Oh, there's a driver.
Oh my god, dude, James just almost fell off the boat. That's a big. Dude, that sucks. Dude, they caught. They're stuck right in the middle of it.
Sandstorm's gonna pass me.
What if it flips over, dude? That's so scary.
For them.
That sucks, dude. You know how shitty that is?
What if ours flip like this?
James, it's not even funny.
Oh. Oh.
Dude, oh shit.
Dude.
Did it hit it?
No.
Why would he go in front of it like that?
I think the wind's blowing it.
Well, shit.
Seriously. Oh, man.
You know how scary that is, dude? Fuck that. That's... Look, he's going in front of it, James.
What? I think it's showing like maybe the person can't see.
Oh. Look at the boat! My battery was gonna die. Where's the plug-in right here? Is there a plug-in right here?
No.
Oh, my eyes.
There's one back there.
Yeah, it's too far. I can't get it. My battery's gonna die. Shit. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Jesus. What? James, wait for me! Seriously! Let's go! Why are you going that way?
Come on.
Oh my god. What? Oh my god, are you kidding me?
Quick, wait!
Go, open it. Right there. There's two right there for us. Dude, we're moving! Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god, dude, I'm scared.
Downstairs?
I'm scared, seriously.
We're downstairs.
Get downstairs, seriously. Oh my god. Oh shit. I'm getting off the boat, James. What just broke loose?
No, I can't find Alex's.
Oh my god. Dude, are you kidding me right now? Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh my freaking jacket.
Here, give Alex one. Let me give it the boy first. Mine's the red one.
Move.
Well, the other houseboat has no control right now.
What just happened?
George, put the life jacket on.
Just pull it, that's all.
Yeah, how did it get loose like that?
I think the whole freezer flew on top.
No, we were on top though. It didn't move.
We broke loose?
Yeah, it's still good. Right, James?
Yeah, it's okay.
Dude, that was freaky.
Oh, it's just freezing.
Let me try it.
We're screwed if you flip
James, get a life jacket on now.
Okay, I'm kind of scared, but okay.
Yeah, what if it tips or something?
Shut up, Brian. Seriously.
Sit down, sweetheart. Stay here, honey. Put her life jacket on right now at the door, Bella. Jackson, Bella, come here. Close the door. All right. Sit down.
Screw this one.
Put a life jacket.
I'm scared.
Put a life jacket on.
This isn't mine.
It's yours? Yeah.
I'm scared.
Here, Kim.
Why don't you get the kids off the houseboat?
Yes, I'm saying.
Maybe you're more safer on there.
Boat.
Yeah, get them out of the houseboat, seriously.
No. Let's just chill out in the front, like right here.
Grandma,
I'm taking my kids on land.
yeah, get them on land.
No, we don't tip. Everybody have one on?
Oh my god, yeah, look. I even have one.
Where?
I just told you last night I went outside.
Shaking
Okay, I'll
right
tell you
now.
what. Put a towel over their heads and let them sit out here. Okay.
Were you scared when it moved?
Outside, everybody outside. Mom,
My battery's getting die.
Go, everybody out. Over here. Go.
Go.
What's gonna happen?
towel?
You go with mommy. Tell Brian to get out of here.
Yeah, Brian, come on. Here,
Come on. Give your hand, honey. Come on.
Here.
Put it over here.
Where's my glasses? Oh, great. I can never find my glasses. Seriously. I put them right here. You guys enough to bust over? Oh my god, I'm scared.
Come on, get out of the boat. Get out, everyone out. Come on, James, Kyle.
On these stupid ass things. Ow!
For the poles, I tell you. I don't feel no stickers.
How'd it end up like this?
So just pushing it back, so push all the weight on the boat in the back.
You think it's secured?
You got the other one.
I don't think.
You never know.
Ah!
Hope it's about 45 minutes.
Dude, look, you can't even see the canyon. I got all this hooked out.